If you follow me, you'll know I'm really passionate about car security. I've done videos on Faraday pouches, Faraday boxes, and I've even got a ghost immobilizer fitted to this car right here. But now I have something that I think everyone who owns an expensive car must have. It's the biggest fear of any car owner. You wake up in the morning and your car is gone. All that hard work down the drain. But no problem, you say. I'm insured. Great, but now you have a red flag on you and a huge insurance increase. Well, that's not going to happen today because I've finally invested in a full tracking system for my car. This means I can see the location of my car 24/7. In fact, if I check on the app here now, I can see my car is right over there. Now, I've personally never had a tracker fitted to a car, and that's because I've always thought, once the car gets stolen, it's tainted, and do I really want it back when I can just get a new one through insurance? But to be honest, with the huge increase in both the new and used car market, I think getting a tracker now is a no-brainer. And it's much cheaper than you might think. And in fact, you may actually save money by getting a reduced insurance premium. So I decided to take the plunge and fit the CLA45s with a Scorpion tracker. Alongside tracking the location of your car 24/7 via the app, there's another really cool personalised system. I now have this small fob here, and if my car moves without it inside, it's going to trigger an alert and I'll get a phone call to check if my car's been stolen. Let's test out this system by going for a drive without the fob and see how long it takes to get a call from Scorpion. Okay, so we're now driving without the fob, and after about 1 minute, I received this call. Hello?
Scorpion Track has detected an incident on your vehicle. Registration is KU71MWP. To confirm a theft, say theft or press 1. To dismiss a false alarm, say dismiss or press 0.
I also received this text message from Scorpion. Let's call the number and see what happens.
Good afternoon, Scorpion, how can I help?
Oh hiya, I hope you don't mind me calling. I was just testing out my new device just to see how it works in the event of a theft. I was just wondering, could you just go through with me what would happen if my car was stolen and then I called the number that I got text with yourself?
Right, so the car will alert if it's moved without the tag or without the ignition over 150 metres. We don't call yourself to check, obviously, to make sure if it's alright. If you don't answer, we'll just wait for a call back. Say if you don't call back, it will just automatically close itself down after a certain amount of time, then we call yourself again. So if you call, say it's stolen, we ask you mind calling the police, getting a reference number, and then get back to us in the meantime. We get the location, all that kind of stuff. And then
so you then give it, okay, so do you give it directly to the police, or do I need to give it to the police?
Yeah, so you report it to the police, because it's your vehicle, you get the reference number.
Yeah.
Give us that reference number, and then we can then use that to communicate with the police. So
right.
Especially calling the police first before you ring us.
So once we've sorted the first initial bit out with the police, then you handle the rest and you get the car recovered, hopefully.
Yeah, pretty much.
Great, alright.
Obviously, we report it to the police, After we reported it, it's kind of out of our hands. It's up to them to go out to it.
Of course, yeah.
For them, yeah. In a sense, we deal with it, yeah.
No, great. Okay, well, thanks a lot. That's really helpful. I just wanted to understand the process, really. Hopefully you don't have to speak to me again. But fingers crossed.
No,
all right. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Right.
Appreciate it.
No worries. Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So that's interesting. So if you couldn't hear right there, so what you have to do is, if your car moves within 150 meters, I think he said, without the fob in it, you'll get an alert on your phone, which we got on our phone, saying to call the number. If you noticed as well, while we were driving, we also got a direct call coming through the car because my phone synced to Bluetooth. And then what we have to do after that is we have to call the police, get a reference number, then give the reference number to Scorpion, and then they'll do the rest, and hopefully the car will be recovered. Let's take a more detailed look at the Scorpion app.
On the main screen you have your map, which shows a very accurate location of your car. Then here in Journeys it logs all the trips you've made. You can see here it shows my last drive, and it's even recorded how fast I was going. If you go into My Vehicle here though, you can disable speed tracking and your speed will no longer be logged. Another good one here is Garage Mode, which stops Scorpion calling you if the car moves without the key fob. This is handy if your car is at a garage for a service and they don't have the fob. A few weeks ago I had my car serviced and I was able to test out the tracker and monitor my car live throughout the whole service. I could see when it was moved from the car park into the workshop. Then I even watched it live when they took it out for a test drive. You can see here it also tracked the speed they were going. So if you want to make sure they didn't take your car for a joyride, you can watch back the trip using the Scorpion app.
Now let's talk about the installation process and the costs.
I first want to take you back to last year when we had the Ghost immobilizer fitted to my car. Ghost is a system that requires a password to be inputted in order to start your car. It's a great system and I made a full video on it. If you want to see my wife trying to start my car with Ghost using the keys, I'll link that at the end of this video. Recently I discovered that the company that fitted my Ghost also installed trackers too. I originally went with these guys because they run a mobile service. That's where they visit your home or your workplace and they can install it in the car park. So I reached back out to them and they were happy to come and fit a Scorpion tracker to my car. The best part though is they were happy to film a video together of the full install. So here they are arriving to fit the tracker to my car in this rather lovely location. They're called Tracker Team and they cover all over the UK. Now if you know me, you'll know that car security is something that I've always been really passionate about, and I only recommend companies and products to you guys that I'd buy and use myself. So let's talk about the price. The guys at Tracker Team have been great and they have kindly given me a really nice discount exclusive for you guys. This is probably the best deal you'll ever find on a tracker, and they'll even come out to you and install it on your driveway or at your workplace. The installation is all included in the cost. The price to have a Scorpion S5 tracker installed would normally be £428, but I've managed to get you guys a crazy discount and you can have it fully installed for £365, which is such a good price for a tracker. If you want to get the discount, all you need to do is mention ABAUTO when placing your order. The best way to do this is to call Tracker Team using the number on screen and you can get your install booked as well. Just mention ABAUTO on the phone and they should be able to give you the big discount. I got this discount for you guys because I genuinely want to do everything I can to help fight car theft. I just can't imagine how horrible it must be to have your car stolen. Now for the price, there's one more thing I need to mention. Because of the Scorpion Live Alert and 24/7 personalised customer service, there is a monthly subscription fee. This costs £13.49 a month, but I actually think it's well worth it. Once you get the tracker installed, it's highly likely that your car insurance premium will go down when you notify your insurer that you've got a Scorpion tracker, which in most cases should actually offset this monthly fee. You might even save more money per month.
Now, if you want to make your car even more secure, the ultimate combination is the Ghost immobilizer along with the tracker. If you want to see all about the Ghost immobilizer, you can watch this video up here.